Meet the Redtiger ViewClear70. It's a dash cam that promises clear, crystal videos. You get a responsive touchscreen and night vision that can catch every detail. We already know dash cams are about the quality, but how good are we talking about? Just a quick look what's inside the box. You get the two cameras, a rear camera and a front camera. You get mounts and cables. Nothing really complicated. Mounting was super easy. The suction mount sticks firmly. I stuck the cables neatly along the edges, and the camera powers on the moment you start your car. I think it took me about 5 minutes or less. No hassles.
Okay, so here's what it looks like when I'm driving in the day. You can see the viewfinder on the dash cam. You can see how crystal clear the quality is. You can see some signs on the road. You can see plate number, just a little bit of details, and you can even zoom in. This also uses HDR technology, where even when the sky is blown out on your cheap phones, this would make the sky bright blue. So if you use an expensive phone that uses Sony lenses, you're going to get the same quality, bright blue sky, no overexposure, no underexposure, which is what HDR really is about.
One thing I noticed with this dash cam is that it's quite advanced. Now, the regular dash cam doesn't shoot in 4K. It uses the micro USB charging port. You also don't get dual dash cams, and the quality is really poor. Like, so with the regular dash cams, you get 480p or 720p, and you don't even get touchscreen. Plus, I'm still testing, so let's just do some more tests and before we give the verdict. We've not done night mode, so I'm actually excited to test it now. So right now I'm trying to use the dash cam, that's the back dash cam, to see if I can see the plate number of the car behind me. I had the Sony IMX678 sensor. It's very good in low light. Like, I can get every detail down to the plate number, the color of the car, basically different signs at night. So let's see how good it is if I can zoom in and get all those details. Now this is really cool. Like, I can see the street lights, I can see signs, everything is so clear. Like, you can see cars, the recording is bright, and I can see every detail even though it's dark. Check this out, the touchscreen is really smooth. You can switch between the front and the back cameras. You can also do split screen or watch what you just recorded, and it still works great while you're driving or parked, no lag, no freezing. Now the app experience is pretty cool. You can connect your phone with Wi-Fi and send video clips straight to it. No cables needed, it only takes a few seconds, so sharing is super easy. Finally, when you park your car, the camera still keeps watch. If someone bumps into your car or moves near it, the dash cam wakes up and records it. It's like having a tiny security guard while you sleep. So after putting the Redtiger ViewClear70 through my test, I can honestly say it's worth it. Now, before today, I won't lie, I wasn't really a dash cam fan, but I believe it's changed. Right now, I kind of believe every car owner should own one of these. With this, you're getting a value-packed dash cam with 4K video, smooth control, touch control, and a lot of features. But for me, I think the part that sold me was the Sony IMX679 sensor. It takes clear shots at night. It's so clear, it's on another level. If you want peace of mind on the road without breaking the bank, I think the Redtiger ViewClear70 is definitely what you're picking. If you want the Redtiger ViewClear70 Dash Cam, you can grab 37% off Amazon with this code, or save $60 plus on their official sites with this code. I'll drop both links in the description.